Hey girls, I am back in Texas and I actually came home on Sunday night. Kind of woke up Monday not feeling well, so excuse the raspy voice, but I am recovering. I don't know, I came down with something, but hopefully I'll get over it sooner than later. But let's talk some products, y'all. While I was at my conference, we had some new products launched. If you didn't watch it on the live, you should go back and rewatch that because y'all, there's like so much excitement behind these products. I want to go ahead and just share a few of them with you. I'm actually wearing some of them on my face as we speak. The first one is, let's talk about linen. This one is a gorgeous all over highlight color, or you can use it as like a brightener under the eyes, and that's what I did. It pulls a little bit more yellow and warmth than Moonlit. It's in between Moonlit and White Peach. So if you're familiar with our products, that's where it falls in the placement of tone. It's gorgeous on. It's beautiful if you want to use it as a brightener. Definitely encourage linen for that. Also, we have, let's see, this new contour color. It's called Astoria. This one's my absolute favorite now. I was wearing indigo or olive, and now I am hooked on Astoria. It's so beautiful on. It's a natural contour. It doesn't make you look like you have a line. It blends beautifully. This one is definitely one to try. If you wear an ash or in between an ash or an olive, I definitely recommend this one. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I get so excited talking about these products. They're so pretty. We have a new illuminator. It's called Glow, and this one is like more of a shimmery cream illuminator. It would look beautiful on if you just grab your B-square brush and just put that like on your neck if you're getting dressed up, or on your shoulders. It gives you that bronzy glow, and it's gorgeous on. For our darker skin tones, it's a beautiful illuminator for on your face, like on the cheekbone and the brow bone. And then we also got another illuminator called Dream, and this one's super pretty. I'm actually wearing it on my face right now. It pulls more of a iridescent pink. So Pearl was more of a white tone, and this one has more of a pink. So it's really, it's fun. If you want to change it up, I love this one, and I like to put it over my lips and stuff too. It's fun. Okay, next, let's talk about the lips and cheek. I'm currently wearing Plum on my lips and cheek, and I feel like everybody needs a little bit of plum in their life, y'all. This is like the prettiest color ever. Here it is right here. It looks a little purple right there, like more of a mauve-ish purple. But I'm wearing it on my cheeks, and I have it on my lips, and it's a really good, just like toned down nude feel, but it gives you a pop of color, so it doesn't really wash you out. I love it. I actually put it on my eyes too earlier just to see what it looked like, and it was beautiful. But then I added some eyeshadow to it to liven me up. Since I've been kind of under the weather, I thought I needed extra help making myself look alive today. Okay, let's see. Okay, Cola, y'all. Cola. Cola has my heart forever. I have never found an eyeliner that I'm absolutely obsessed with until Cola. So this one's actually a contour. It could be for some of our darker skin tones, or it could also be used for your brows. I have it on my brows today, and I have it on my eyes as an eyeliner. All I had to do was grab my Know Your Angles brush and just kind of press it in there, and then I went up against the lash line, and it is the best color for eyeliner. It's not ashy, it's like that wax feel, so like it just goes on, and it's smooth and it's perfect, and you don't have to worry about like the pencil breaking or like it getting all caught in the corner of your eyes. Like, it is the best thing. So if you are looking for an eyeliner and something for your brows, I definitely encourage Cola. It is the way to go. And then Scarlet. Scarlet's a very pretty red. I know a lot of my customers were hoping for a red, and I know we have a red that usually comes out around Christmas time, but this one's a little bit different. This one is like a pop of red. This one's called Scarlet. It's beautiful on the lips and the cheeks. It gives you just like such a glow. It's really a gorgeous color. I'll do another video, maybe tomorrow we can get ready together and I'll put on my makeup and we'll put Scarlet on so you can see it on a face in person. Okay, so I think I went through everything. I just wanted to show y'all real quick one of our compacts. This is our double decker, and this is the new color called Fleur de Sel. Fleur de Sel, I don't know how you say it, but I think I got it right. Fleur de Sel. Anyway, so look how gorgeous this is, y'all. I'm so excited about having a darker color compact. It's just something different. We don't have anything like that, so I'm really excited about this one. And they're just gorgeous. Like, it's beautiful. It really is. So lots of new compact options that are out there. And the exciting part is with qualifying orders, you get your compact for free, and all the new ones are part of that. So take advantage of that while you can. And speaking of taking advantage of it while you can, y'all, our eyeshadows are down to $8. Like, I love all of our eyeshadow colors. I mean, look at this. They are just beautiful. And it's a steal of a deal for $8 per eyeshadow, y'all. So I encourage y'all to get some of those too while you can, because the $8 sells while supplies last. So snag yours, and lots of new exciting information I can't wait to share with y'all. I learned some really amazing tips and tricks, and I can't wait to share that with y'all too. So be looking for a video sometime this week. We'll get ready together and I'll show y'all some new tricks that I learned. And real quick, just about the company, y'all. I just want you to know, I always like to put my money somewhere where it actually really means something. And I can't brag about Maskcara Beauty enough. The heart of the company is what makes this makeup line even more beautiful. It's not just their beautiful products, but it really is the heart behind it. So if y'all have seen my latest post, I had one where I had a picture of Love is Never Wasted. Kara, the founder of this company, actually had this movie produced. It's telling a story from the eyes of a foster kid, and, like, you know, that a lot of us hesitate to say no to or to say yes to taking in foster children, because we feel like it would be too hard to say goodbye, and, you know, you develop that connection with that child. But at the end of the day, if you focus on your pain and set that to the side and recognize that child's pain, there's no pain greater than what that child is going through. Your love is not wasted that you show that child. Your love counts and it matters. And so Kara and her husband are starting a foundation to help try to engage and encourage families to take that leap of faith and to become a foster parent. I know in the state of Utah, they had said there was like 2,600 foster children, and there's only like 1,500 foster families. So, and that's just one state. So I definitely believe that Maskcara makeup can help with that movement and try to encourage others to spread the love and share the love. But anyway, I had a wonderful time, and it feels good to be back home, though. I missed my babies and I missed all of y'all, and I'm sorry I've been kind of absent the past few days, but I've been a little under the weather, and I'm feeling better. We're up on top of things now. So if any of y'all have any specific questions about the new products, please feel free to reach out. I'm going to try to take some time to sit down and message all of y'all who I think certain new colors would definitely be your thing. But if you want to just shoot me a message, I can definitely respond a lot quicker. So that would be fun. A lot of new tips and tricks coming your way, and don't forget about the $8 eyeshadows, y'all. They're going quickly. So if there is a favorite of yours or one that you've been dying to try, now's your chance to get it. All right, I love y'all, and we'll chat tomorrow.